Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Steam not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, go to the Start icon on your taskbar. Right-click on it and choose Run from the menu. A small box will open on your screen. Inside this box, type %local app data%. Make sure you type it correctly. Then click on OK. A new File Explorer window will open. In this folder, look for a folder named Steam. Once you find it, right-click on the Steam folder and select Delete. This will remove temporary Steam data that can stop the app from opening. If Windows shows a message saying the folder is in use, open Task Manager, close any Steam-related processes, and then delete the folder again. After deleting the folder, we move to the second step. Right-click on the Start icon again and open Run. This time, type Steam:///flush config. After typing it, click on OK. Steam will now start cleaning and repairing its configuration files. Once it finishes, restart your computer. After the restart, double-click on the Steam icon and open it normally. This should fix the issue where Steam does not open on Windows. Thanks for watching.